Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your own posts on TikTok as private. So make sure to follow or to watch the video to its end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing we need to do now is to open our application. Now you open your application, then you will need just to download, just to log in to your account. After logging into your account, you will need just to have some content here in your profile. If you do not have any content, you will need just to click on the plus sign and then you will need just to create any type of content. It can be a video, anything you like. I'm just going to create a text, a picture and just type anything. I will just change some font colors, some fonts style, post to feed. And now I don't want people to see this post. Let's just reload. So I have it here. Now I'm just going to click on this 3 points icon at the bottom here. You click on more, and basically here in this toolbar, we can find a variety of settings. So all we need to do is search for the privacy settings. And so I'm just going to search for privacy settings. You find it here. You click on this privacy settings, and basically you need just either to change the comments or you can just who can watch my video, and I'm going to make it only me, which makes it private, and that's it. Now we don't have in the public feed, we don't have this post. If we go to this place or this private feed, we can see our content that is private. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.